The Fairfax County Volunteer Service Awards honors those individuals in our community that contribute to the fabric of our life by strengthening our nonprofit sector and our public sector through volunteerism. We've been doing it for 20 years, and we have the support of the Board of Supervisors and Fairfax County government to honor individuals that really make a difference in the nonprofit sector, and to honor them in a public way that shows how much we really appreciate the work that they're doing and how much it makes a difference in our community is why we have events like this. Volunteers don't receive remuneration. So this is the kind of acknowledgement that we have to be able to say to them and to others, look at who we have in our community and how they volunteer and how they make a difference in our lives and the impact they have on the public and private sector.